Everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. It's a Sunday. I'm here to plant something that I haven't planted. I've had them growing, but I need to get them in the ground because they are producing some beautiful, great roots right now, and they have to be done ASAP. Let's go do that. The corner here, these are my corn. These ones here, the beautiful corn. They are way past their limit. They need to go in the ground. Look at this, the roots on these bad boys right now. They literally are screaming out for me to put them in the ground. So that's what I'm gonna do. And to add to the beautiful 3-tier system, I'm gonna plant along with them some beautiful kidney beans. In Jamaica, we just call them red peas. Don't ask me why, but they are a kidney beans. They do have the shape of a kidney. And I wanna explain to you what I have done here so far to get them so plumped up like this. So before I actually start to plant my kidney beans or my beans in general, I like to soak them overnight. You guys can see the water there. I've soaked them overnight just to see which ones are crack, which are no good. Like if they're split too much, I don't even know if I want to plant them still, but I might consider doing that, you know, just to make sure you can get rid of the bad ones and see what you have here ready to go. And even by doing it overnight, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's ready to go. It's starting to put out its tiny little roots. So just in 24 hours, some of them are ready to go. So I'm gonna try to plant them with my beautiful corn out in a little small patch of land that I have that has nothing in it. So why not use that space for my corn and my kidney beans? And I might even add like a cucumber along with it, so we can have like a 3-tier system, the 3 sisters, something of a squash cucumber family, and corn and a bean. And they should do well with each other because they work well with each other. So what I'm gonna do, I have these, I'm gonna just plot the corn around the garden bed first to kind of see where, like in between where I'm gonna pop them. So I'm not gonna really, just gonna easily separate them like that. Just be gentle with them because sometimes you can lose the breakage by tearing it. You break the roots, so you don't want to be too vigorous and break some roots. You want to try to keep them intact as much as possible. So I'm just gonna drop it down there. I'm gonna put 2. I'm gonna kind of like lay them out where I want them, as you guys see there. So guys, I've literally planted them in. They're in the ground. They're looking amazing. And yeah, okay, now onto the peas. So I was thinking, put them in the between, you know, each corn here, put a gap, you know, put it in between there and put another one here, in between that, and one in between the other side as well. So kind of keep it in line. So I'm gonna try to keep it in line here, and the same goes along here as well, and even down the bottom as well, all the way to the bottom. Then I'll grab 2 cucumbers. At the end there's nothing at the back there, so I'm planning to get 2 cucumbers that I have a white cucumber that I haven't planted yet. I'm gonna stick it in at the end and show you guys the full review of it once I have planted everything. So the first things first is to get them in here, in the holes, by going through them. And let me get you guys closer so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Going through the bunch of peas that is here, because some of them are not looking good, as you guys can see. Some of them are cracked. So I might even attempt to plant them anyway, but not the really damaged ones, just to see. But I'm gonna try to put 3 in each hole, and one of them must turn out to be a pea. To be or not to be. Shakespeare. That's my Shakespeare, not your Shakespeare. But yeah, let's do this. Guys, here we are. These are some white cucumber. So I'm gonna plant them at the back here because there is a fence behind going this way. So when it's growing from this direction all the way up here, you know, it has somewhere to climb on. So I'm gonna put them at the end here. Just put a little 2 holes because it is 2 plants. Sometimes I do prefer, because this is a no dig garden bed. It's so easy just to even use your fingers and just dig up the soil and pop them in. And the next thing is to water them in, threaten them a little bit, because if they don't make it, I'll replace it with something else that, you know, even something I don't like. I'll put something on here, something else. Let me just remove this weed, which is a pain. Get rid of these things. But, you know, no-dig does create the opportunity to be able to harvest things easier, especially the root ones. You can pull them out so easy because the soil is very soft and well taken care of, and you're not damaging the soil, you're just adding value to it. And the even best opportunity is that you can plant faster as well. You don't need to worry about having to turn the soil, knocking it, let it break down for a bit, and then plant your stuff. You can go straight away. You might have to do some weeding. This is not, with no-dig, is not telling you that you're never gonna have weeds. You will have weeds, but it's so much easier to remove them. I find it so much easier. Sometimes I come in and spend like an hour, 2 hours weeding the whole thing. And sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do half an hour and do quickly pull out some. Next week I do another little bit, and my garden looks amazing. Don't you guys think? Look at that. There's only a little bit of it, you know. There's more over there. I'll show you guys another time. Or you guys can check out my other video that I drop within the week or last week, by the time this video uploads. You can see my garden tour and you can tell me what you think. Is no-dig working for me or is not working for me? I appreciate your opinions because you're a part of this great community, and sharing knowledge is so amazing. So I'm gonna quickly water them in. I do have some more the kidney beans remaining. I am going to pop. I did prepare a bed down there just in case I didn't plant them all out here, to put them down there. So hey, this is your boy Mr. Green Hands, and it's been a pleasure, and see you guys on the next episode. Have a great day, and do not forget one thing, please take care of the planet, because we just have to. See you guys soon.